This is a bracket to hold 2 angle grinders. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase one, it would cost you about $25. Alright, so in the cardboard box, we have a metal bracket. And it has a relatively large magnet here, and it also has 2 clips. And so these 2 clips are designed to go over a metallic, like rolling tool chest, snap on the top, and then this magnet will hold it in place. I don't think the magnet has enough strength to hold the entire weight of your angle grinder, so I think these 2 clips need to go over something that clips on. Now it also has holes for mounting just to a wall, so you can stick it up against a wall and screw it in. You might need to bend these guys in a little bit if you do that, although the bottom sticks out a little more than these clips so that things line up. So it may work out. It may be that you need to bend these clips in a little bit to mount this to a wall. So I have 2 angle grinders. They're currently just sitting in cardboard boxes. We're going to try this guy out. Also included in the box is this set of pretty good sized screws, so wood screws. They have here, you could use these as either drywall or masonry anchors. So this magnet here is pretty strong. You know, it holds that thing on pretty well. I don't know if it's enough to support the weight of angle grinders, but if you have a metal cart that has an edge that goes up that will fit inside of these little hooks, that magnet will definitely hold this bracket to the metal cart such that it's not coming off. So, you know, there's no questions about the strength of that magnet there. Now, you do have to have a pretty sharp edge because it's not a super wide hook here. I have a metal cart that doesn't have an edge and it doesn't work on that. And I have a metal cart that has kind of a rolled edge, and the roll is a little bit too big for this guy. So I can set that there, but it has this little thing on the bottom that's getting in the way. The magnet's real strong, but it doesn't fit there. So the magnet's plenty strong, but this rolled edge doesn't quite fit there. It will just pull down off of it. So it needs to be a straight edge. So we're going to try this wall mounted. Now these holes are not on 16-inch centers. It's about, say, 13 1/4 between the 2 outside holes, and there's about 6 3/4 between the inner and the outer holes. Luckily I have a place I can just screw it in right here. This might mush those little metal things in. I think what I'm going to do is mush the metal things in myself with a vise before I put this onto the wall. Alright, so that was pretty simple to push those back into place. Alright, so this angle grinder fit perfectly. This angle grinder here has a larger rubber bit between the handle and this thing, and so that rubber bit is kind of hitting. I can push it down and make it fit, but it basically, when I did that, it snapped this rubber plastic thing off of the handle. So you might need to do something like that to make this thing fit properly. And when I lift them up, this thing kind of clips the guard. So if you have a guard on, you have to push forward just a little bit to get the guard out. Alright, so it fit my angle grinders quite well. It does have these little spots where you could put pliers or whatnot. I'm worried that if I put pliers there, when I take this guy off, it's going to get in the way there, so I don't think I'm going to be using that hole. This hole over here, there's no handle on that side, so that one should be fine if I wanted to use that. There's also some places for some screwdrivers. The screwdriver holes don't really look like they interfere with things, so those look like they work pretty well. So this guy does what it claims. It'll hold 2 angle grinders, maybe a few accessories. If you have the exact right type of metal cart with a thin lip going upwards, it'll hook to that and magnetize and stake iron very well. If you don't, it's pretty easy to push those tabs in and just screw it into a wall as long as you have some type of backing on the wall.